Okay, so I'm not really sure about anything for this knife. I can tell you it's a really crappy multi-tool knife. Uh, you know, odd kind of shape. Stainless steel, Japan, it says on the blade. Small blade, and it's not dull, but it's not really that sharp either. Okay, now, the thing about this is that there's a nail file on this side, but you can't actually get it out, hence the crappiness part, unless the blade is extended. Only then, as you can see, are you able to get the file out for whatever reason. And oddly enough, the nail file point is way sharper than the blade point. I guess it's for like getting gunk out of your fingernails, but I really wouldn't use it for that because it is incredibly sharp. Okay, so on the other side, and wow, this really is a crappy, this might be one of the shittiest pocket knives I have, actually, because I just realized there's no, you know how for, well, maybe you can see, there you go. You see the fingernail slot that you put your fingernail in to get the blade open? There's a mini pair of scissors on the other side, but there's no fingernail slot, so like I can't get it open. What I'm going to try is I'm going to use a pair of tweezers to try, but I don't know if that will work. Ah, there we go. Wow, this really is a crappy knife. Okay. And these scissors seem pretty crappy too. So here are the scissors. I feel like they're gonna break any second. And I don't know if you can see. No fingernail thing on either side. So as soon as I put, oh, what the hell? Yeah, so now I won't be able to get it back out unless I have a tweezer. Okay, so now the front, I don't know if you can see, says MAGi or Omagi maybe. I don't know if that blue thing is supposed to be an O. The back, wow, I have bags under my eyes. Ooh. Anyway, the back, you can't really see it, but down here it says Jostens on it. But I wasn't able to find anything online about Jostens knives or Imagi or MAGi or Omagi knives, so I'm kind of at a loss. But it's really crappy, and not even sure why I actually have it. So, well, I'll see you next time with a better knife.